we are doing something different than the other paper mills in Turkey. We are using same raw materials, same chemicals, but we are producing much more strength paper than our competitors produce.
Nowadays, world needs to have more sustainable projects in the future in our area. That's why we have chosen to enter pulp and paper industry as Kıvanç. We would like to be proactive in this new future. We're planning to do something special in the market. Then every customer will be searching out our products.
To think about the one supplier is important for us. We selected Valmet to have one supplier in all division of the project.
We have seen Valmet references before. Valmet has proven technology in order to achieve our goals. That's why we have chosen Valmet.
Main benefits of the stock prep is the less energy consumption. Because of the good equipment, we are not using the dispersion unit, which has using a lot of energy. Twister cleaners is the best equipment in the stock prep that we purchased from Valmet. We are able to run with twisters up to 2.5 consistency, so it is amazing. It gives us the flexibility. At the beginning, we discussed with our suppliers. At PM side, we really know the Valmet, then Valmet is the best for the PM side. In PM side, the performance of the line is amazing.
It was a very successful startup. Within a few days, we started to produce the saleable paper.
With aqualayer technology, we can produce different kind of products. It means, for example, testnet, also different kind of fluting and corrugated medium. With having aqualayer technology, you can dose the chemicals less if you compare the other technologies, because you are directly dosing inside the layers of the paper. Depending on the product type, our strength properties, especially for the burst and SCT/CD, we are 5 to 10% more than the competitors. We have hybrid former. Together with aqualayering technology, it gives us more flexibility in order to produce different kind of grades.
For dry section, when you look to steam consumption per ton, it's really very good, and under guaranteed figures, it's the very efficient dry section. The heat recovery side, it's also is the effect directly. The steam consumption, I can tell, is good.
Our tail threading is so fast. That's why we haven't seen any bottleneck, and we haven't had any, let's say, problem about that. We have chosen hard nib sizer in order to have more strength-wise product. Comparing to the other traditional sizers, with the same nib load and the same amount of the size, then you can have more strength at the end of the product.
When we increase the load for the high strength, no need to extra for the apply the hot calendering.
We could have chosen film sizer traditionally, but if you would like to do something better and remarkable, then you need to have some risk, and also you need to believe new technology.
Valmet vacuum management system. This is very good tool to use the less energy in the vacuum area, which is the second biggest energy consumption in the paper machine. Valmet vacuum management system reduces also the process variation, because we know simultaneously what is the vacuum level. Overall efficiency, the automation's role is really very important, because right now everything is getting the digitalization. We can say in our market we are the best to produce the final product. Then to achieve this, the QCS, Valmet Quality Management System, is the first tool that make this happen.
For the cooperation with Valmet, it was very, very, very good. All the time we could have good information. They are finding and solving the problems.
We are happy about the Valmet support. If we need to do something or if we need to have some help during the running production, then we have asked to Valmet. They have returned us.
Easily we can say this project has been successful. I really thanks Valmet teams from the beginning. They really supported us. We have always have a very goodwill approach between us. Final product points of view, we are really best in Turkey because of the Valmet.